Yeah, oh yeah. Oh, will it get absolutely muddy?
Right.
Oh, this is sketch, this. Put the seatbelt on. Oh my god. Oh! Not working. Go on, man. What the hell? John, let me film that from outside. Let me film that from outside. Oh my god. That's mental, that. Alright, go. Oh my god. John! John! Go on! Go on! Oh, good life! Oh, go on! No freaking way! Oh my, oh man! Hey John, do me a go. What? Do me a go.
It's like boiling hot again.
Oh, so we'll go back then, yeah? Oh, I didn't even get it. You're 360. Oh! Park it up here. Hey, 360. Oh! Park it up here. Hey.
JP Cooper and Canada Summit is on the way to be next on Capital. James Cusack.
Film me as well, it's funny. Just driving like a... How much is this tractor worth?
What we in? About 110 grand? Something like that, I don't know. Just got a steady position.
Hey, oh. No way. Look at that fat forklift there. Man, check this out as well. I've just been driving this. How mad is that? That's a mad thing. What's he got? Has he got it? That's on Shrek all. Might have to be the other side. Got it. Jeez, man, I'm getting out of the way. I'm getting out of the way, man. What? So, yeah. Oh, yeah. I would. Oh. Oh, man. Swear I nearly tipped there. Yeah, literally. So I'm just driving here now in this like tractor thing. First time I've ever been driving a tractor anyway. I've got a trailer on my back and I'm just chucking the wood on a fire. Yeah, that's it. And I really shouldn't be doing this, but yeah. What are you doing? What? Look at the roof. What are you doing? Is this normal? Is this like a normal homely activity that people did? I think trying to bump start it. Hey, look, it's yeah. Hey, watch out, John. Drop it. Ah, as if, man. Oh, what the fuck? No way. Oh, swear down. Whoa, man. Good, good. Oh. It's not starting. Off to get in the car now. But the shagging wagon. Bob. Oh my. Oh. Ew. I don't even know if I want to get back in. Really? You think it's dead? You think it's dead then? You think it's dead? Give it some more.
We're gonna get it again. Just don't need to do it.
R.I.P. Shaggy. Two. Drop it! Alright then. That's okay. You ready? Go. Ah, that's rubbish. Go a bit further up. Oh, brutal.
Roll it.
Roll it. Drop it. Go as high as you can and drop it.
It won't allow you. How's that tying off pops up thing on there? We've got it. It's inside there.
Oh shit. Come on.
Some good gunshots, mate.
Fucking look at that! Oh, go into the airbag. Hey yo, this is a party thing. Check out this. Here. Mate, check this out. Go on. Get on. Why? Go on. Come on.
Look at that. Are you alright, Rob? You'll be alright.
Go on, man.
You ready? You ready, Ted? Grip on me leg, but.
Oh, stop it! Oh my god, stop it!
I stopped it.
Oh my god. I just remembered where I left off. Literally, guys, what? Oh god, no. I've missed a daily upload. This is, I promise, guys, this is gonna be the last time I'm gonna forget this daily upload. But seriously, that's really bad. I wonder if you can tell what happened, right? Basically, I would say basically, right, guys, what happened was, turn that round. Right, guys, anyway, what happened was, there's kind of a little bit of a party going on. Kind of got into the party spirit bit. Partied a bit, and I want to be honest with you guys, I got drunk. But obviously not. Obviously, like, not. I'm supposed to be a role model, what the hell? Anyway, it's the next day. He got pretty mad. And I'll show you my Snapchat story, that's pretty funny. Wait. Oh my god, guys, what the hell? Just me and a no entry sign, behind a no entry sign. That's me on the rodeo. What else is there? Oh, come on, you've overdone it and underdone it. Then you just do like a bottle flip. Go. And it's just spamming my phone. Then Mad cartwheels are going. Anyway, guys, I'm talking a little rubbish now, guys. Anyway, I'm gonna go through the comments and give you guys a shout out, obviously, as you all deserve it, as you guys have been killing the subscriptions lately. I've been going up like 10 a day. How mental is that for me? I just think that's so inspiring right now. That's like motivating me so much, and this is why I'm so annoyed about not uploading daily. But obviously, I am after this. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna give it a shout out. Hey, yo. Shout out to this guy here. I reply to all the comments because you guys just kill it. But these guys that comment all the time, they absolutely kill it. And don't fit, like, guys, just you need to understand, if you keep on commenting on the videos, I don't get used to it. It's just mental every time you comment, like. James Blakeway. The thing is, it's so good seeing new people comment as well. So anyway, I think in the video I said something about comment Trump if you want a shout out. So anyway, give that guy a subscribe. In fact, I'll link this video in the description, then you can go and click on their comments here. So, and WPT Films, subscribe. George Stevens, again, they're all new, it's pretty sweet. So you should definitely. And then there's this comment here. Mate, hang yourself. Is it funny or I don't know, anyway. Good crack. Lucky you didn't get hit harder, man. Yeah, true, I almost knocked myself out. And if you want to see that, check in the description. Today and yesterday was a pretty mad day. Anyway, guys, I love you guys so much for coming back every day. And make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and comment below if you want a shout out in tomorrow's video. Free. Anyway, guys, make sure you subscribe to my Instagram. No, make sure you follow my Instagram on the real level. Like, check this. So, and Tom Feller made me this video, Thug Life video. Anyway, go follow him as well, because I always need stuff on my Instagram, and it's just sweet if someone like makes that for me. I think that's sweet. Anyway, I'm going to read through the comments on this. I think you got some comments on this Instagram post. Check this out, Dan Bell, shout out to you. Your YouTube channel is really good. I watch every video. Cheers, Dan. That's just like, that's the nicest thing ever. Alright, guys, I have probably bored you a bit there, but tomorrow is a new day. It's gonna be not. I know, it depends what you like. Anyway, guys, see you again. I've edited this twice, but anyway, guys, see you later. I much appreciate everything. And 3, 2, 1.